everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the October Open Gate Quilts subscription box to share with all of you. This is a monthly subscription that Monique Jacobs of Maywood Studio puts out for $47 a month plus shipping. If you want to go ahead and add on a backing, it's $12, and if you want to add on a fat quarter bundle to that, it is another $12 unless you're a first-time subscriber, and then it's only $10 per month. You lock in that special rate. So this subscription box usually has a main project. There's also a Zoom meeting for that main project with Monique herself, so you guys get to do that project with her over Zoom. And then there is usually a smaller project. There's usually a notion and a thread, maybe a fat quarter, or a new pattern that she has available. So just like little goodies are also tucked into this awesome subscription box. Basically, you get everything that you need for the project. And then if you want the backing, of course, you can add on the extra backing like I talked about. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got this month. I am so excited. Before we get started, I do want to show you just a couple items that were missing from my box last month that Monique did go ahead and send me in the mail. She always corrects the items that get missed in boxes. If you ever miss an item, just let her know and she'll send it right away. So let's go ahead and see what else was included in last month's box. All right, first up is this notion. It's a cute little keychain seam ripper by Clover. It has these cute little attachments here too, this little flower as well as this bell. I'm assuming they come in other colors. I have no idea though, because I didn't look it up or watch other people's videos. But yeah, this is super duper cute. I love this so much. All right, here we have some Aurifil thread. This is a tan color, and you always ask me, so let me see, it's 2310, I believe, is the color if you like that. We do have our Bountiful Stars backing fabric as well. Let me go ahead and open this up for you. Okay. All right, now let's go ahead and dive into this month's box. All right, when you open the box, there's this beautiful little print here. She has some custom tissue paper as well. All right, there's a leaflet here that describes the contents of the box items. It also tells you when that class is. So this class would be October 20th at 7 p.m. CST would be the class for that main project that's in this month's box. Okay, there are some news and updates that I want to go ahead and share with you all. It says a couple of changes happening with Open Gate Quilt Box. Due to the supplies, tariffs, and availability of notions, I've decided to change the monthly notion to an Aurifil thread. I may still provide a notion every once in a while, but Aurifil thread is an amazing thread, and I hope you will love the change as much as I do. Therefore, you will receive 2 Aurifil threads every month. Prices of fabric and shipping have increased, so regretfully, I need to increase the fat quarter stash buster to $15. This is still a great deal. You get a yard of fabric and a fat quarter pattern for $15, a $24 value. I forgot about that actually. So the fat quarter bundle does come with a free pattern as well, which is a really nice deal. This is still a great deal. Okay, you get the yard of fabric, fat quarter pattern for $15, a $24 value. This price increase will take effect in the November box. Okay, so next month. And then the backing add-on is also increasing, so that one's increasing to $14. And it says, this is the first time I've increased the price of backing since I started Open Gate Quilt Box 5 years ago. Okay, so this price increase will take effect also in the November box. All right, basic box and shipping remains the same, so that $47 plus shipping remains the same. All right, she says, thank you so much for understanding and for supporting her small business. So this month we do have a special little ad in here. So this is a fat quarter. This is by Maywood Studio. It's called Cottage Flower. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this cute little bird here. It's really cute. I know that update said that she'd be starting in November, but it looks like we actually got 2 Aurifil threads this month for October. So here we have $27.85, and it looks kind of like a navy blue. And then we have 5010, and this is kind of like a golden color. All right, we'll go ahead and get into our small project this month. It's a cell phone holder. It's 4.5 inches by 7 inches. Go ahead and show it to you. So here's what it looks like. All right. And Monique always includes everything that you need. So here is this cute little carabiner type clip. Has this on the bottom. And the fabric for the cell phone holder is here. Monique also includes fusible fleece for the cell phone holder as well. All right, here we have our large project. This is a wall hanging called Landscape. It's 29 inches by 39.5 inches. So let's go ahead and see what this fabric looks like. So this pattern's really interesting. It kind of reminds me of my husband's grandmother's like Asian pictures that we have. We have these like, it's like 3 panels on like rice paper or something like that, and then you put them all together. It kind of looks like this. So this is pretty neat how she has this, and then she of course has like kind of like the sashing in between to break it up. All right, so this is a beautiful panel. Okay. And here's the flip side of that. This is actually called Cro-Mazing by Jan Mott, and it looks like this is for Henry glass. All right, so it looks like this acts as a background fabric as well as a border, and then this fabric would be more like your sashing for this project. All right, next we do have the backing fabric here. Like I said, this is an add-on. It was $12, now it's $14, she said. So here's kind of this mustard solid. All right, and I'll just kind of show you that all together because I think it looks so pretty. I love blue and gold together. Next, we have our fat quarter stash buster. This is now $15, she said. All right, so here we have the pattern that comes with those fat quarters. This is called Puzzle. It is a 24-inch square. And not to steal Monique's thunder, but I also have a pattern on coffeecakequiltcompany.com. It is free. It's called the Twisted Knot Block. If you guys kind of like that Celtic kind of twisted knot design, it's really cool. Go ahead and check that out as well. All right, I'm not really sure who makes these fat quarters, but they are really pretty. So this one's like a teal on teal, just like different shades. I think this might be my favorite fat quarter bundle that she's ever put out. This says, so this one actually has a selvage. This is Cottage Flowers by Susie Hetherington from Maywood Studios. Okay, and Cottage Flowers, wasn't that also, yeah, that was our fat quarter that we got here as well. Look at that, it all goes together. All right, well, that's it for this month's box. I'd love to know what you guys think about the contents. I think for me, these fat quarters are just stunning. I'm super excited to use these. I have no idea how I'll use them, but I just think the colors are so fabulous. All right, I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend. It's Friday. Bye, everybody.